Ever wondered what it's like to step into a whole new world without leaving your room? Welcome to the realm of virtual reality YouTube videos, where the boundaries of reality are blurred and the possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to soar through the skies, dive into the depths of the ocean, or even walk on the surface of Mars, all from the comfort of your own home. With VR technology, these experiences are not just fantasies, but immersive realities waiting to be explored. From heart-pounding roller coaster rides to serene nature walks, VR YouTube videos offer a diverse range of content to suit every taste. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking thrills or a nature lover craving tranquility, there's something for everyone in the world of virtual reality. But it's not just about entertainment. VR YouTube videos also have the power to educate and inform. Step into historical events, explore distant lands, or even witness scientific phenomena up close and personal. The possibilities for learning and discovery are truly limitless in the virtual realm. And let's not forget the social aspect of VR YouTube videos. Connect with people from around the globe, attend virtual events, or simply hang out with friends in a virtual space. The sense of presence and interaction in VR creates a whole new level of connection that transcends physical boundaries. So, whether you're looking to escape reality for a while, learn something new, or simply have fun with friends, virtual reality YouTube videos offer a gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Strap on your headset, grab your controllers, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the wonders of virtual reality. The only limit is your imagination.